Modular rig introduced in Unreal 5.4 aimed to letting all type of users, whether or not they are technical artists or beginners, to make a super complex rig for their assets inside Unreal Engine in minutes instead of hours or days. It is super fast, more flexible, and it is for anyone. In this course, we concentrate rigging a car using this new system, and I show you all the steps from how to prepare your car models, how to use modular rigging, and how to use the rig in sequencer to do a test animation, and finally how to use movie render queue to render out your test animation to be able to share to others.